Today is one of those really good sorts of days. Today is new gear day. New gear, new hiking shoes. Let's get into it. Arcteryx introduced the Aerios FL GTX and the mid version of the same shoe as lightweight, waterproof options for hikes across variable terrain. Now, I've been using the Aerios shoe since March 2020, or at least I was, before I left them at a campsite in North Wales. Since that incident, I purchased a pair of the Aerios Mid from Arcteryx, and today I'll give you a bit of a preview of the shoe. Let's start with the name. Well, Arcteryx are great at including little clues or tags in their product names that indicate how the product will perform and its intended use. This shoe is called the Aerios FL, meaning that they form part of Arcteryx's minimalist range, offering high performance at low weight. Mid refers to the boot being slightly taller than a shoe, but not as high as a full boot. And GTX? Well, that highlights Arcteryx's use of Gore-Tex as the waterproof membrane in the shoe. The Aerios range is considered essentially an extension of the Arcteryx trail running range, but with added durability and stability. Now, out of the box, having a look at those key features, it's noticeable at just how light the shoes are. The pair of mids that I've got was 740 grams on my scales, and this is mainly down to the synthetic upper. The synthetic upper sheds weight and remains pliable, which helps with comfort, so you don't have that long period of breaking the boot in. The sole of the shoe is a vibrant Mega Grip sole. Mega Grip sounds rather beefy, but is essentially a rubber compound that is extremely durable. The sole has some deep lugs which contribute alongside the Mega Grip to making the Aerios an extremely grippy shoe. The outer of the shoe is made with a lightweight Cordura mesh that is taped with TPU high abrasion protection in the harder wearing areas. There is minimal stitching on the outer, which is great for two reasons. Sometimes stitching can cause irritation to the foot if placed in the wrong area. There is less stitching to break or falter if being rubbed against rocks, etc. when out walking. As mentioned earlier, the waterproofing is Gore-Tex, which is trusted and reliable. Gore-Tex is used by an awful lot of brands, although alternative membranes are available. It is worth noting the beefy toe guard or bumper on the front of the shoe helps to protect your toes and also protect the shoe from abrasion in a high wearing area. The Aerios has a midsole that is deeper at the heel, but there is plenty of cushioning under the toe box as well. Okay, so that's a little overview of the shoe. I'm really excited to get it outside. I can't see it working too much differently to the shoe that I've already been using for over a year now. But the reason I went for the mid in this instance is I just wanted that little bit more ankle support. I will probably make a video down the line to let you guys know whether there were any differences, whether I prefer the low shoe or the mid shoe. If you've got any questions, be sure to drop it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in another video.